This secret aloe vera remedy will make your hair super soft and silky in just 3 days. Your hair length will also increase. In just 3 days, your hair will grow from shoulder length to knee length. Don't believe it? Then try this magical remedy. No matter how dry or damaged your hair is, it will make it super soft and silky. It will boost your hair length, and I guarantee that even if you applied it to a bald head, hair will start growing. No matter how damaged, dry, or brittle your hair is, it instantly makes it soft like silk. Hair that had fallen out from the scalp will grow back. Split ends, breakage, and the problem of split ends will completely disappear. It removes dead skin cells and dandruff. Even young girls can use it on their hair to boost hair length. It penetrates the scalp and removes dead skin cells and dandruff. This unclogs your hair follicles, allowing them to breathe freely. Blood circulation improves. Because it also has conditioning properties, it gives your hair a heavy, silky feel. I promise that this remedy will give even the driest, most brittle hair a silky, luxurious feel. Your hair will become super soft and silky. The only condition is that you must watch this entire video. How to make it, how to apply it, because you shouldn't miss a single step in the preparation or application. Only then will you get 100% results. So watch this video completely, because we are going to make 100% natural aloe vera oil, which will make your hair super soft and silky. Even those whose hair hasn't grown for years will see growth. Hair fall will completely stop. The best part is that it will be made for free, and you will be able to make 100% pure aloe vera oil at home, so you will never need to buy the chemical-laden aloe vera oil from the market again. Cut the aloe vera leaf and dip the cut end in water for an hour. It contains aloe latex, which is released when you first cut the leaf. This is why, as you may have heard, using aloe vera leaves can sometimes cause itching on the scalp. This is a protective layer of the plant. So when that is removed, it becomes activated to provide its benefits, and it gives the hair a heavy, silky feel, and when you soak it, the water will turn yellow. Because it will contain aloe, which had locked in the aloe vera gel. You may have heard that applying this aloe vera leaf to the skin gives the skin a glass-like shine. Applying it to the hair makes the hair super soft and silky because it contains vitamins A, C, A, and B12, which improve blood circulation in your scalp. It activates the follicles. And this aloe vera gel contains enzymes and minerals that stimulate dormant, inactive hair follicles. This makes hair growth very fast and maintains the balance of the scalp, which makes the hair roots healthy and new hair starts to grow. So even in areas where there was baldness and the scalp had become smooth, hair starts to grow there too. And for those who had extreme hair fall, this remedy will completely stop that extreme hair fall. When you make this and use it as I've instructed, the hair roots become healthy and new hair starts to grow. So even those who don't have hair on their heads will see hair growth. Nowadays, the problem of premature gray hair has become very common. Hair starts turning white at a very young age. This also protects against that because the minerals I mentioned are the same minerals that will go into your hair follicles, immediately managing the hair pigment and discoloration and making your hair naturally black and thick. You must have seen many videos on the internet where after using the product, the hair gets a glass-like shine. The hair starts to shine. That's a chemical-based keratin protein. But that same keratin protein, completely pure and without any chemicals, is found in aloe vera leaves. And when you use it, your hair will get a glass-like shine. Your hair will shine like glass, become soft and gain a silky texture. This remedy will prevent any future hair problems. Your scalp, which had become unhealthy, causing your hair follicles to weaken and leading to hair fall, breakage, or split ends, will be repaired. Your hair was breaking, and the ends were becoming split. This immediately repairs it. Because you're getting 100% pure nanoplasha and keratin ingredients, it only offers benefits. You spend money on chemical-laden products, but this is available completely free at home. You just need to know how to prepare and apply it. Then you will get the same results right at home. This way, you won't spend any money, and the life of your hair will be extended. because these pure ingredients improve your scalp and hair, protecting them from damage. This increases hair density and strength. Here we've extracted the gel using a sharp knife. You can also use it with the peel if you prefer, but this gel works instantly. So I am extracting the gel. If you use a serrated knife, it comes out even faster. And here, we added it to a blender jar. Now we'll make a very fine paste. This instantly repairs damage to your hair, and it infuses your hair with protein, making it incredibly soft and thick. When the hair roots are strong and clean, blood circulation improves in the scalp. That's when your hair growth starts, and it shows results in just 3 days. While extracting the gel, some peel might remain, but when we strain it through a sieve, those pieces of peel will be completely removed, and we'll get pure gel. And I promise you, this remedy works 100%. I've seen it with my own eyes. I believe in it, and I've tried it myself. If you were having trouble leaving your hair open, or if combing your hair was very painful because of constant hair fall and breakage, and you didn't know what to do, hair will start growing on your bald spots, and the length of your hair, which had been stuck at the same length for years, will increase. Hair that wasn't getting thicker will grow faster. Your hair will become longer, thicker, and denser. Here we need to take a thick steel pot, and in it, we'll add coconut oil. Coconut oil is lightweight, which is why we are using it. And this is the only oil you should use to make this aloe vera oil. Here, we've taken 15 to 20 ml of coconut oil. Don't use more than that, and the quantity of aloe vera gel is 70 to 80 grams. So, this makes the perfect combination, and when you make it, you won't have to worry about the exact quantities of oil and gel. As you can see, we've placed it on the gas stove over a low flame. A little smoke starts to come out, and that's when you need to mix in the aloe vera gel. You need to cook it on a very low flame. It's ready in 5 to 6 minutes, and you should keep stirring it gently with a spoon. Many people already know how beneficial aloe vera gel is for our hair and skin. It's considered very good for our overall body as well. Drinking aloe vera leaf juice releases toxins from our immune system, and the vitamins A, C, E, and B12 in it instantly give your hair thickness, softness, and make it thicker. Now, we had placed it on the gas stove to make it, and 5 to 6 minutes have passed. You can see that the oil and aloe vera gel have melted together nicely. So, at this point, you just need to turn off the gas, and now you need to strain it using a sieve. And this oil that we are making can be stored for 4 to 6 months without spoiling. This oil becomes completely like a gel when it's ready, and it has a wonderful consistency. No other oil can compare to this one. It has the power to eliminate every problem related to your hair. And let me tell you, even if children use it, their hair growth will start. Because young girls are not allowed by their parents to apply any remedies or products. But this is 100% pure, so parents will allow it because it has no side effects. Our oil is now completely ready, and we are going to store it. Please listen carefully to both the storage method and the application method. You should store it in a glass jar. It should be an airtight container, but do not store it in a plastic jar or container at all. Now we will mix cloves into it. These cloves contain a large amount of a protein called eugenol. Eugenol promotes hair regrowth, even on bald heads. Where you previously had 1 or 2 hairs growing from a single root, you will start seeing 10 to 20 hairs. But the only condition is that these must be whole cloves. You need to take 8 to 10 cloves and add them to this oil. After adding them, stir it well with a spoon to ensure they are fully submerged. Now I'm going to tell you how to apply it. You can store it only in the refrigerator. It's currently wintertime, so when you take it out of the refrigerator, you will have to leave it in the sun or at room temperature for half an hour. Then it will dissolve easily. If it doesn't, then place it in warm water. It will melt very easily. People of all ages can use it. You just need to know the correct application method. You have to apply it to your hair 4 to 5 times a week. Apply it thoroughly to your hair, then leave it on your hair for 3 to 4 hours or overnight, and wash your hair with shampoo in the morning. I guarantee that the softness and silkiness you will get in your hair will be unmatched by any other product.